Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we have to solve this fifth part of short questions of Federal Board 2021 annual paper. Here in this question, we are asked to find y2 second order derivative of y with respect to x when function is this algebraic function y is equal to 2x plus 5 power 3 by 2 is given. Its differentiation is done under power rule. You know this well. So we write here differentiate with respect to x. So for that we apply d by dx on both sides. On left side, d by dx on right side. 2x plus 5 power 3 by 2. We know left side remains unchanged, dy by dx. Right hand side is converted into its derivative under power rule. Power rule says power must be brought in the beginning. So 3 by 2 is in the beginning. Then we subtract 1 from power. 3 by 2 minus 1. Then we differentiate function without power. Function without power is 2x plus 5. What we do next? dy by dx is equal to. It can be called y1, dear students. We could have called y1 here, and if we call it y1, this is y1. First order derivative of y with respect to x is y1. It is 3 by 2, 2x plus 5 power. Now, what it simplifies into? It simplifies into 1 by 2. We can take LCM 2, 3 minus 2, it will be 1 by 2 obviously. Then, derivative of 2x is 2. We keep 2 outside and derivative of x with respect to x, and here derivative of 5. This is y1 is equal to 3 by 2, 2x plus 5 power 1 by 2, and derivative of x is 1. Derivative of constant is 0. Then we simplify it into y1 is equal to 3 by 2, 2x plus 5 power 1 by 2, and this 2 will appear here, which will then be cancelled by this 2. So after this we have y1 in its final shape is 3 times 2x plus 5 power 1 by 2. Now we differentiate with respect to x again. So d by dx of y1 is equal to 3 can be kept outside, d by dx of 2x plus 5 power 1 by 2. Then again power rule works. Derivative of y1 with respect to x is y2. Its notation is y2. So this 3 is already here. Power will be brought in the beginning 1 by 2. And here we do power minus 1. 1 by 2 minus 1. And derivative of function without power is 2x plus 5. After that, students, we can see that it is y2 is equal to 3 by 2, 2x plus 5 power, it becomes minus 1 by 2. And the derivative of 2x is 2, derivative of 5 is 0. So this 2 will again be cancelled by this. And y2 in its almost final shape is this. 3 divided by. This will appear in denominator with positive power 1 by 2, and then it can be written in the form of root. 3 by square root 2x plus 5. This is answer. It is second order derivative of y with respect to x.